On po.
Alright. Again, congratulations to Rapid and Angela for their debut film. Alright, everybody, and we hope you guys will spread the word on your socials. Ibang init ng pagtanggap sa ating rising young actors na si Rapid, Agnes, and Angela Gugio. Kaya sana mag-translate ito sa pelikulang ito. Simula January 14, 2 nights ago, 2 tulog na lang po. Mapapanood natin ang Cinemas Nationwide, ang Werewolf Boy Philippine adaptation. Directed by Yes, again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2.
Watch mga abangan mga kapatid natin, mapapanood ka sa January 14.
Okay, once again, thank you everybody who came here tonight despite the traffic that's always been there sa EDSA. And congrats sa nakarating tayong lahat ngayong gabi na safe and sound. And we hope that you guys are very happy meeting them in person. And let's show support sa ating Rabjel Tandem on social media. Ipakalat ang magandang balita. And let's make it trend. Again, we got our 2 official hashtags for tonight. Hashtag our Werewolf Boy PH and hashtag our Werewolf Boy Premiere Night. Excited na ang lahat? Nakapag-picture na ba ang iba? Don't you worry everybody because they will go up here later on. Kaya naman hold on to your devices, your cameras, and your phones. Dahil maya-maya lang, mas makikita nyo sila because they will be walking up here on stage. And by the way, to the rest of the cast, please do stand by because we'll call you on later for a quick photo op here on stage. Once again, to the rest of the cast, we'd like to invite you later on for a quick photo op on stage. Let's have a Rapid Agnes on stage. Right over here sa ating stage. Alright, looking handsome and gorgeous tonight. Rabjel! Hello, Robin! Hello, Angela! Careful going up. Okay, here's the microphone. Batiin nyo na lahat ng fans ninyo ngayong gabi.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you po for coming here. We're just as excited as you are.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito.
Angela!
Ito na po. May pelikula na po tayo. Sobrang iba po yung kaba namin ni Angela ngayon. Wala po kami masabi sa inyo. Pero maraming salamat po.
Mukhang naiiyak na sila sa support ang ipinapakita ninyong lahat. Kaya naman ngayon, i-congratulate natin sila by shouting, clapping. Everybody, let's go! Let's give it up for Rabjel! Thank you, everybody. And would you like to invite them?
Rabjel here.
Would you like to invite them January 14?
Dahil po, inibitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boy sa
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po.
There you have it, Derek. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken. Okay, sa loob na lang daw ang mga cast. Okay, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. At sa mga walang ticket, don't you worry. 2 nights na lang ang aantayin natin lahat. Mapapanood na natin sabay-sabay ang Werewolf Boy in Cinemas Nationwide. You want to
Gusto ko lang
invite?
tawagin yung lahat ng production staff ko, sila Chrisma, sila MJ, sila Jack, lahat po ng part ng Werewolf Boy production staff and post-production. Punta po kayo dito. I want to see all of you.
Yes, and of course, we'd like to call, of course, we have everyone here, Miss Candy
Pati yung
Pangilinan,
ibang cast din.
Sir
Guys, let's go,
Jeffrey
guys.
Hidalgo, Anika Cole, Miss Angel Raimundo, Rafi Tejada, Onel Torres, Boaz Mariano, Francis Manda, Simon Ibarra, Omar Flores, Ruslan Jacob, Luna Amor Buniac, Louis Manansala, and Kanye Avendaño. Would like to call in all of you, the cast members who are here with us tonight, and of course, the staff and crew and production of A Werewolf Boy.
Sila Joshua, sila Ulap, sila Meg, asan kayo? Gusto ko lang i-present sa inyo yung gumawa ng A Werewolf Boy, everyone.
Yes, hindi mabubuo ito kung hindi dahil sa kanilang lahat.
Prisma. Si MJ may DOP, si Ulap may script continuity. Si Joshua may second camera. Pasok po kayo. Sige. Ito sila, Anika.
Anika?
O'Neal, Christian T, Angel,
Guys, help lang po ba backwards konti?
Backwards
Kuya
po